when I shampooed, you can see by the amount of product that I use, I was thinking that my hair is not going to lather as easily because it was the first wash, and I obviously have products from the previous wash day still on my hair. But then it lathered really quickly and it didn't leave my hair dry and stringy. And then with the second wash, it was the same. I could actually run my hands through my hair. Hey hon, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Robyn, and in this space we're all about feeling beautiful from inside out. So should you be using the John Frieda Detox and Repair range if you have type 4 hair? I'm going to be sharing the key ingredients, what my experience was, and whether I would use it again, so that you don't have to waste your time and so that you can save money. Now, the active ingredients in this range is avocado oil and green tea, and that's good for us as naturals. Firstly, because avocado oil is non-comedogenic, which means that it's one of the few oils that can actually penetrate the hair shaft. I don't know if you've ever tried using an oil like coconut oil and wondered why you applied it and then your hair turns out to be drier, and it's probably because you've used an oil that's not really getting into your hair shaft. Secondly, green tea. Oh my goodness, I could talk about this for hours. I actually have a cup of green tea right next to me. But green tea is so good for your hair, and not even just for your hair, it's good for your skin. It has major anti-inflammatory benefits. It's an antioxidant, which means that it helps to protect your hair from damaging agents and like free radicals. And it actually also promotes hair growth and helps to reduce hair loss. So those two ingredients, avocado oil and green tea, are really great in general, and it's great that these are the active ingredients in the hair products. John Frieda says that this range is specifically for dry and damaged hair. So if you feel like this describes your hair type, then I would suggest you try the range. So this is the shampoo, and I was really happy that it came with a flip lid, because you know when you're washing your hair or even conditioning your hair and you apply the product, your hands become slippery. So it's great that the packaging is easy, and I didn't have to unscrew anything, and I didn't have to worry about the lid falling on the floor or anything. And the product does smell really great. The shampoo and the conditioner has a similar scent to it, which I really enjoyed, and I felt that that made the experience even more enjoyable. In terms of the wash, when I shampooed, you can see by the amount of product that I use, I was thinking that my hair is not going to lather as easily because it was the first wash, and I obviously have products from the previous wash day still on my hair. But then it lathered really quickly and it didn't leave my hair dry and stringy. And then with the second wash, it was the same. I could actually run my hands through my hair. And then getting into the conditioner, I liked using this conditioner because the feeling of it was really light and wispy at first. So I went a little heavy-handed. Again, when I do try products initially, I like to use more rather than less to give it the benefit of the doubt. And this conditioner didn't disappoint. I used about a 5 rand coin size initially, I would say, and I used it on either side of my hair. So my hair was divided into halves, and the instruction says that you must use it from root to tip. But the way my hair needs to be hydrated, I started at the end and then went to my roots, and that worked out perfectly for me. I felt like my hair was hydrated and I could detangle my hair easily. Now, bearing in mind my hair was in braids, so it wasn't really difficult to detangle, but you know when your hair is wet and immediately after it's shampooed, depending on the type of shampoo you use, it can still leave your hair dry and difficult to run your hands through it. So yeah, the shampoo didn't disappoint, and I can actually still get a little bit of the scent on my hair now. Even after rinsing. So I would definitely use the conditioner again, and I'm not mad at the shampoo. I really enjoyed the shampoo. It would probably last me a long time. This comes in a 250 ml as the conditioner. The shampoo also is a 250 ml, And then there's also a mask in the range, also for dry and damaged hair. And there's a care spray, and the care spray is specifically used for before you're going to be applying heat to your hair. I don't think I'll use that for a long time, but if I do, I'll definitely let you know what the experience is like. If you'd like to see any other products that I used on wash day, all the links will be in the description box below. Don't forget to like this video so that I know you want to see more videos like this, and subscribe to my channel so that you're reminded when I upload a new video every Tuesday. Cool, I will see you in my next one.